Right now, I am traveling through the dense forest of Karnataka and approaching towards Old Magazine House Ganeshgudi. Old Magazine House Ganeshgudi is situated in Karnataka and it is 800 kilometers from Akola, where I live in Vidarbha. So it takes 16 hours. So it is not possible to travel at a stretch 800 kilometers. So I opted a break journey. From Akola I went to Pune, that is 500 kilometers, 10 hours, and from Pune I went to Bhigwan, where I saw flamingos. I have posted a video on flamingos also. From Bhigwan I went to Dandeli, that is again 404 kilometers. It takes near about 9 to 10 hours, but it took 11 hours for me because the work is in progress on Pune Bangalore highway. And in Dandeli, on 18th, I stayed there in a crocodile age homestay, Dandeli, and on 19th morning I came here to Old Magazine House, Ganeshgudi. Dandeli and Ganeshgudi are different places. Distance is 22 kilometers, and now I am approaching towards the Old Magazine House gate. You can see they have not allowed tar road here to get a feel of jungle, and for other purpose. So here in Old Magazine House, the check-in time is 1 o'clock. I have booked this property on 31st October 23, well in advance, and I have paid 8,260 rupees for two people. For each 4,130 rupees is charged, inclusive of everything. And here the package starts at 1 p.m. check-in is 1 p.m. Then at 1:30 you get a sumptuous lunch. Then 4 to 4:15 tea. 4:30 to 6:30 bird watching on hide, and 7 to 7:13 veg soup and snacks, and 8:30 to 9:30 dinner. Now I have come to the gate of the Old Magazine House, and here on my left there is a office of the Old Magazine House where you have to check in, and there a very polite person is Appa Sahib Nadaf, who is a manager who looks after everything. You have to give your IDs for check-in and enter the register, and from there they will take you to the rooms where you are allotted. There are three types of accommodation. One is this accommodation where you get rooms, another one is log house, and third one is dormitory. Now I have opted for this rooms accommodation, and we are approaching towards the building. Now here, after entering, there is a hall, and on both sides there are near about 8 to 10 rooms. So from all over the India, people come down here, and so if you want a confirmed booking, try to make it earlier as possible so that you will get the booking. And then the last resort is dormitory. Dormitory is also nice. The charges are less, they are near about 2,800 per person. Now here I am giving you a room tour. The rooms are clean, nice, with all amenities. They provide a electric kettle. Here you can see electric kettle, and with that electric kettle you get the pouches of the tea, sugar, coffee, milk, and 2 cups are also there. Different type of teas and coffees are given to you. Lemon tea, this is coffee. Actually they provide you the tea and coffee on their fixed time in the morning, in the noon, that is 4 to 4:15. But if you want to have it in your room, you can avail this facility of kettling. There are 2 towels, 1 napkin, then there are hangers. This is a toilet with a geyser. Shampoo, then toilet soap is also provided. Now this is a log house. At present it is totally demolished. So it is not allotted, and now this is the road towards the Hyde and the Gol Ghar, which is called, that is lunch house. So we are approaching towards the Hyde. You can see all around lush green trees and jungle. So here they have made a nice Hyde so that you are hidden behind that Hyde green cloth, and here the birds sit. There are pots of water. These are the people who are shooting the birds. There are chairs also provided. You can hang over there. And from here you can watch the birds. You can photograph them. You can just sit and see the trees. There are shakroos. Now this is the lunch time, and a sumptuous lunch is being given here. Full course meal, you can say. Veg and non-veg both are provided here. This is chicken. A delicious lunch is provided. I would like to make this video bilingual, so now I will speak in Marathi. आम्ही इथे ओल्ड मॅगझिन हाऊस गणेशगुडी या ठिकाणी आलेलो आहोत. हे ठिकाण अकोल्याहून 800 किलोमीटर, म्हणजे साधारण 16 तास लागतात. ॲट ए स्ट्रेच 16 तास प्रवास करणं शक्य नसल्याने मी ब्रेक जर्नी करून अकोला ते पुणे 500 किलोमीटर पुण्याला मुक्काम करून तिथून भिगवणला आलो. भिगवणला पुणे भिगवण 115 किलोमीटर आहे. तिथे रात्री मुक्काम करून तिथे फ्लेमिंगो बघितलं, त्याचं शूटिंग घेतलं. आणि मग भिगवणहून दांडेली 404 किलोमीटर आहे. ते थोडं 450 किलोमीटर पडतं व्हाया सातारा जर आलं तर, पुणे बँगलोर हायवेनी. तर पुणे बँगलोर हायवेचं काम चालू असल्यामुळे थोडासा जास्त वेळ लागून 11 तासाच्या जवळपास लागले. 6:15 वाजता मी दांडेलीमध्ये पोचलो. आणि इथला ओल्ड मॅगझिन हाऊसचं जे पॅकेज आहे ते 1 वाजता सुरू होतं आणि मला तिथे दांडेलीला पोचायला 7 वाजणार होते. त्याच्यामुळे मी आदल्या दिवशी तिथे पोचून एक क्रोकोडाईल एज होम स्टे आहे तिथे रात्री मुक्काम केला. आणि दुसऱ्या दिवशी सकाळी निघून मग मी बरोबर 12 वाजता इथे ओल्ड मॅगझिन हाऊसला आलो. ओल्ड मॅगझिन हाऊसला त्यांचं जे टाईम टेबल आहे ते 1 वाजताचा चेक इन आहे. त्याच्यानंतर 1:30 ते 2:30 लंच असतो. त्याच्यानंतर 4 ते 4:15 चहा असतो. त्याच्यानंतर 4:30 ते 6:30पर्यंत यू कॅन वॉच द बर्ड वॉचिंग तुम्ही करू शकता हाईडवरती. त्याच्यानंतर 7 ते 7:30 व्हेज सूप आणि स्नॅक्स प्रोव्हाइड करतात. त्याच्यानंतर 8:30 ते 9:30 डिनर असतो. त्याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट डे 2ला सकाळी 6 वाजता वेकअप कॉल देऊन चहा देतात 7 वाजेपर्यंत, 6:45 ते 7. आता हे इथे विविध पक्षी कीटकं हे मी जे तिथे चित्रित केलेले आहेत ते दाखवतो आहेत. हा व्हिडिओ मी 2 पार्टमध्ये बनवतो आहे. पुढच्या पार्टमध्ये बर्ड वॉचिंग टाकणार आहे. तेव्हा हा जर व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.